guys, so you want to get this hairstyle station, so this is what it looks like. I'll show you a full 180 of it. So to go with my 1960s dress, 60s dress, try doing my makeup as a 60s style. There's Dreamy. Eyebrows, this is just Vaseline. These lovely vintage earrings, which I thought was cute. Ta-da! And now I'm ready to do the work. Hi guys, so you're going to need a bunch of clips, a donut and a brush. This is the only one I could find, but I recommend a comb or a hair comb for teasing. So the more you tease your hair, the bigger the front's going to be. So more teasing, the bigger it's going to be. So if you tease the absolute crap out of it, but take half the front of your hair and you want to put the donut, that's a donut. Now there's different sizes, small, medium, large. This is like a medium, I think. And you put it where you would put a high ponytail at the back of your head. Clip each side with a hairpin. So one on your left and one on your right, so it stays put on your head. I recommend Poundland for this. So just putting in the clips so it's secure, so it's not going to move. And then take all your front of your hair and fold it back and tuck it into the donut. So just wrap your hair in the donut. So put your hair through the donut and then out the back of it. Now slip it under. And try to make it look neat as possible. Right, you can always brush the front of your hair just to flatten it a bit or make it look neat, as I try to figure out what I'm doing with my hair. So you want to play with it so it's all tucked in. So tuck in the sides, use as many clips as you possibly can. Put them in your hair, put them in the donut on your hair, so it's a pulled back, but there's more of a volume in the front of your head. And you're happy with it. I'm just scrunching up my face because it's irritating. It does take a lot of practice to get it right. I'm just putting in more clips and just having a little brush so it's like neat on the side. Or they poke it in and tuck it in. So that's what you do. I'm going to add more clips. So it's neat at the sides. As I said, just tuck it all into the donut. Just put it through the hole in the middle and then like out the back. So it's sitting right in the ring. And then once you're happy, you want to brush the back of it. Yeah, I'm not happy with it, so I'm just putting more pins in it. So brush the bottom of it and tuck it in same way as you would put in the front. Except for you don't back comb it, you just put it straight up and tuck it into the comb so it's, circle on the top of your head. And then I'm struggling here, so I'll go over the mirror. So use a comb so it's all brushed neatly, and then tuck it into the donut. As you can see, just putting it in and use my fingers to hold it inside the donut. And then once you think it's neat, or you've tucked it in, make sure no loose ends at the back of your head. So run your hand up the back of your head, just tuck in all the little bits into the donut. And then you clip the crap out of it. So I'm just tucking in bits that keep falling down into the donut as well. So more you do this, more practice you do this, the better you'll get. This is just a very fast, quick way of doing it. It's not exactly the neatest. There's your way of doing it. This is the way I do it. So once it's all tucked in, add more clips, check how you feel, put it, and then just lightly go over your hair with a comb. Just make sure it's all neat and clipped back and has that swept, neat look, tight but volumed, I guess, which you want with a beehive, or if you call it a beehive. That's what I'm calling it anyway. So just clip the crap out of it. Add more clips. Just use your hands to check it is neat. Just keep clipping, clipping, and clipping, and then until you're happy with it. Just, I don't know, 101 clips in your hair. To pin this down into the donut, your hair into the donut, so it's nice and neat and tucked in. So that's what we're doing. So making sure the donut's tucked in and the hair's tucked in and it's fine. So that works. So it's neat and it's tidy. And keep running your hands up and back your neck just to make sure you don't miss any strands or parts. And then more clips. And then another clip. This takes 101 clips. Hairpins. So that's what we're using. So then check in the mirror and see how it looks. And then once you're happy, hairspray it. Just showing you the full 360 of it. Does the back look like? Always use your mirror to check your back of your head. I like it. It's all nice and neat. And then I do work after this.